Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss My Workspace and App Workspace in Power BI service. So let's start. So as you can see here, My Workspace is like, think of it as your individual playground in the Power BI service, while App Workspace is, think of it as a playground where you play with other kids or other people in your organization. So that's pretty much the best analogy I could think of. Like it's like, so My Workspace is like your backyard where you basically doing your own experiments. But App Workspace is where you work collaboratively. So what is the features with My Workspace? Workspace is how content is shared in the Power BI service and how the all building blocks exist in that workspace. My Workspace is is a workspace for a single user. It has a capacity of 10 gigs and it contains reports, dashboards, workbooks, and datasets. So I'll just quickly take you through this. I'm already logged into the Power BI service and I'll just click on My Workspace. And you can see that it's got 4 components: dashboards, reports, workbooks, and datasets. And I can click on this and you can see I've got 10 gig and I've used 17 MB of this space. So let's head back now and to the next slide. And what's App Workspace? App Workspace is how content is shared in the Power BI service. So you can share content with multiple users. And each of the users can work on their separate reports as well, which is in that particular App Workspace, which is not possible in My Workspace. So you are the only one who's going to be working in My Workspace. Nobody else can work in your workspace. But with App Workspace, other people might also be working in the same workspace. And you can share your reports with multiple users, which you can also do with My Workspace. But here you can work collaboratively, so other people can also put in their work and work on it. It also has a capacity of 10 gig, but it can be increased if it is backed by premium capacity. It contains reports, dashboards, workbooks, datasets, and dataflows. So dataflows is an extra component which comes in with an App Workspace. And you need a pro or a premium license for an App Workspace, whereas My Workspace doesn't need a license. We'll quickly have a look here. So I've got some workspaces. I'll just click on demo, for example. And you can see it's got dashboards, reports, workbooks, datasets, and it's also got data flows. Plus you can look at the settings. Oops, not from here. Let's just go click here and manage group storage. And you can see that this workspace also has 10 gig assigned to it and 3 MB has been used. So in this video, we've had a quick discussion about the 2 workspace types, My Workspace and App Workspace, which exists in the Power BI service, and what are the features that exist with each of them, and wherever there are some differences, we've discussed those. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you'd like me to take any specific topic. Cheers, bye.